Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
South Korea flagged a deeper economic slowdown than expected, at least through the first half of next year, and extended sales tax breaks on some fuel oil products and passenger cars by a few months. Former BitMEX CEO Alexander Hupner has sued the cryptocurrency derivative platform for $3.4 million for breach of contract and wrongful termination, a court filing shows. Tesla's third largest individual shareholder, Koguan Liu, has rounded on Elon Musk, calling for a new CEO to take over the EV maker and accusing the nascent Twitter CEO of abandoning ship.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 0300 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1355 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0700 hours GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.